Mia, what are you watching?
I don't know. I know you're recording.
I'm not. Stop it! No, you're not allowed to do that. You're not allowed to do that. So let's get rid of that, okay? Mia, what are you watching?
I see you recording.
I'm not.
I see the red. I see the red thing.
Mia, I want to see you do this. Mia, I want to see you do this.
Hold on.
Teardrop. Sad. What's up, guys? Ow. Let's try that again. What's up, guys? It's Jade here. Today I am going to be. Oh, that really hurt. Okay. Okay. Today, me and Mia are going to be doing this fun, amazing game. It is going to be the animal challenge. So, it's where you have these, we have these, and they have like, ow, hit my chin, that hurt. Where it has like people and things and food and animals. Pretty cool. So I'll get back to you guys. So I'll get with you guys when me and Mia are ready. Okay, you guys. So we're about to do the animal challenge.
And food and people.
Okay, go Mia.
Easy.
What is it?
Person.
AJ.
Yeah.
You're like, AJ. Oh. Okay, not that easy. Honk, honk. Honk, honk. Wait, I'm gonna show the camera.
Boat.
You saw
I
him.
didn't see it. I did not see it.
You can't look when you're about to show it. Like you have to do this. So when you tell me, you have to show it.
If you could see it.
No, I can't. I actually can't.
Well, it's gonna look backwards on here, but it's actually right. Animal.
Stop it. Yeah. Can you see it? Yeah, get your head up.
That's too boring.
This was the one I got. Wait.
What is it?
An animal.
A frog. Rabbit.
Rabbit. Oh, rambling.
Yeah. Animal.
Shark. Shark. Haha, you missed. Okay. It's food.
Pancake.
go blah blah blah. Let's go get some blah blah blah. Oh, thank you for this delicious blah blah blah. Oh, cut it. Oh, it's so hard to cut it.
There you go.
Take it up. Oh, that's really kind of cheesy. My favorite kind of. My favorite kind of. I think I should take this blah blah home. I think Mia would really like blah blah today. I hope she likes cheese blah blah. I'm leaving. You give up?
Yeah.
Pizza.
It doesn't just have cheese. I don't like just
Look.
cheese.
You know I like cheese on pizzas.
Yeah, but you
When
could
I
have
did
said
this, I
You could have
gave
said pepperoni.
whatever.
I'm not. I don't like just cheese pizza. You
I
do.
know.
I don't.
I like both. One of my favorites.
Remember.
Hey. Is it a person?
It's a bug.
A bug?
Yeah.
It's a bug.
Yeah. I didn't miss that time.
Ow! That hurt my head. Like seriously, that hurt. Okay. It's food kind of.
What's the deal? You said it was a sauce.
No. Hey, you hit me too. That doesn't mean you have to attack me again. Yeah.
Ah! I'm down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Person.
Why is there two of them?
Person.
Ew. Person.
Oh, that's so cute. Mia, me, Stephanie.
Yeah.
Bad acting.
Okay. I don't want to play this anymore.
You're so weird. You probably know this one. I don't think you really know this. Wow, I have a tail. Jake's favorite animal.
Raccoon.
Yeah. Okay. You suck. Okay, you guys, so I'll see you guys next time because Mia's being a wimp. And she just wants to hang out on her phone because she's a wimp.
I'm not. You are too.
No, I'm not. I went in the hot water, but you're like, oh, it's so hot. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, guys, see you next week. Bye.
Daisy Brat.
No, I'm not.